Welcome to Historical Flash, an academic series of bite-sized videos all about tattoos, body modification, and the like throughout history. I was browsing through old, at least as old as I could find anyway, issues of academic and medical journals to see just what was being written about tattoos 150 years ago. What I found was this interesting read about a Greek pirate being punitively tattooed over his entire body, palms and soles included. So this episode comes from an 1871 issue of the British Medical Journal. There is now exhibiting in medical circles in Vienna a remarkable instance of tattooing of the whole body. According to his own account, the man, a Greek by birth, had been a pirate, and had also carried on brigandage on the continent. 7 years ago, he and 5 companions were taken prisoner by one of the wild tribes of Asia. 3 of them were put to death, but this man, with 2 others, was preserved alive and literally tattooed over the entire body. The proceeding caused horrible pain, and his 2 companions died under the treatment. His body is covered head to foot with delineations of men, animals, and fabulous things. The coloring on the chest and abdomen being vermilion. Here and there, about a line's breadth of the normal color of the skin can be seen. The hands and soles of the feet are colored red, but have no figures. On the face and neck are inscriptions of characters resembling Arabic. The skin has the general appearance to the sight and touch of bluish-gray velvet. He attends the General Hospital in Vienna, and Professor Hebra, who showed him to his class a few days ago, has had him photographed in various attitudes. Pretty harrowing stuff, right? Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of more academic videos on all things body modification, or, if you want more right this second, check out one of these videos now. Thanks for watching.